Are we
Okay.
speaking Acholi or we speak English?
We're going to introduce one of the Julie.
You're a bit
Okay.
Hello.
delay, come.
Okay. Now,
I'm
an luong Olanya Paul, anangeni unwengeni wadong kachel, but for quite long time, pedong wabel kachel. Just because of kid you parba, mina kid mangari chel biberu kere kwa.
Yes.
You guys travel in 93, you left us in the camp. A boy came and also followed you. Children Karen, when some of us were looking for you where you are, some of you are not to pay in the line, media. But of a surprise, one of you know, okay, Jackie Woberkalok for some time. Until when I requesting and wakena mina na mamekun machal Abuayo, Ken, Bego, and others. I'm happy me no online. Though with time we no on lock face to face. Kinya yom tutual ngarwara kedun. Yeah. Nana for my tech.
Gonna fight.
boy.
And
I'm
again, jarring you and Anna Boyle, probably.
Yeah,
Maybe Anna Tiki, the matter, probably.
yeah, that
Yeah.
is what I wanted to know. Yeah.
We know about Ange Olanya, who Olanya is. Nyingi
Yeah.
yang winyo aneno ben Olanya jaro. Lakini no
Yeah.
banga den mo did like this, if I know mo put it. So
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, Ange opinion for a long time. What kept
Mm-hmm.
Dana went in a different direction.
Mm.
But with God grace, one in, one know it all over again. But I'm so grateful and I'm happy. I'm happy to see you again, and I'm happy with whatever was going on. But I'm just so excited. Yeah, one more point and
Julie.
and welcome.
Boy, I did
Mm.
delay, buddy.
Yeah, a little bit. Fix your audio. I don't
Okay.
know your setting.
I tell we bedroom quiet because neighbor party make noise. I'm going to
Okay,
move.
now it's better. Yeah.
Okay. Man changil Julie. Nyinga Jacqueline kango kot co-host para la mera. Ali so boy, you don't introduce me. Guess to a teen, Olanya Paul, or introduce me already. Olanya, thank
Mm-hmm.
you for joining one. I invite in
Mm.
because ibi waja bora ni in subclan perimi di Pajok kami bini tiro subclan mi Pajok. Lalu ni biri.
Biti.
Subclan eri wajang ba win before. One mama dong kan wangi gama polko. So
Mm-hmm.
one people explain it was about biri subclan too ni. Which are forming in the Pajok kuja podu tie kuja who wrong who migrate waka. Can you tell us a little bit about tradition to kamu binage?
Yeah. One clan mamegwa sub clan mati di Pajok lulong ni BT. BITI. Jumukari cho BITTI. BT. Originally, one were migrating from Lamore. Before colonial powers, there was no boundary of which our ancestral land onoti kamagiloni la Palangwen. But we occupied from La Palangwen up to Puge. But when colonial powers came in, colonial power decided to demarcate ni border dong umir ki soroti oduoko kere maduong dong yamano Sudan. Karma creating border Kenya, Sudan no kwany from Soroti to Egypt, which was called Sudan. But that time, during the marriage time and all Samuel Becker, all this time Al-Azariya and so on. Karma Nimer Robino Nimer decided to extend the border of Uganda, Okwanyo Soroti, and extended it to Limu, which is called Limu now. People call it Limu. Limu, the border. Limu, and from Limu, then people extended it to Ngomoromo. Limu is meaning Ngomoromo, as people pronounce it Leb Acholi. So karma dongi dirong Kenya dong ni Ngomoromo no tikan. There we extended as a Sudanese. We extended from there. We now left the other ancestral land. We extended to Pogere, and we own a land there called Chandek, our ancestral land. So this Chandek is our ancestral land. Up to today, we own that land. Before, none of the community migrated to Pajok because the other group also came to Pajok and got us there, who are the owners. There are 4 tribe community or sub-clan in Pajok who are truly the originals of Pajok, which include Biti, Pagaya, Bobby, and Paliech. These are the owners of Pajok. The rest of the communities, the sub-clan came to Pajok and got these people already who migrated early to that land. So when we settled in Chandek, which is in Pogere, then we cultivated. Then a group of people migrated from the side of Lokoro, from the mountain side. They came in. Then when they entered, they came in big number. We had our chief. The chiefdom was there. So when they came in big, karma gi bien gi wel ma dong gi duong gi la wel ma wan wati keri kenyu. Gi bino gi tuo ma pat pat. Gi bino ki malaria, gi bino gi typhoid, gi bino gi influenzas. So tuo pa dienge bene ti kenyu ma dong karma gi donyo dong gi wit tuo ma pat pat. Le dong gi neno ni jen en gi kelo tuo. Dong bino ma gene gin gi bino gi inyo kama pi tiye. Gi bino gi nongo yo gina chama pe. Chi gi bino cham dong kama gi nongo ye gi nongo cham pa jok. Karma gi nongo cham pa jok gi loko dong nying cham miningo. Kama gi nongo e cham mini munu in pa jok. Wek gi miye nying kenyo gi chaka ni nying pa jok. Gi luongo ni pa jula. Ma nying ka luongo ni pa jula pet pa jok. Pa jok bino pi nying cham ma jone gi bino gi nongo. Now, I will to one pa jok. Wanyini idi pa jok one biri waduong. Enter we are divided. Biriti Uganda, Biriti Pajok. Just because of the border demarcation, Owero, well Mukanati Dong ti Uganda, well Mukanati Pajok. At Uganda, they kept the name Biti, but attached with another title, Mapeti Giloni Biti, so much. So, ka ini ama ini cher Uganda oilo kong inongo Biti. Ka ini oila mo, kama ini cher no Giloni la palangwen watin, inongo Biti. Or which ka estimating population matie itengamela konki itengamela palangwen, if imerigi population mati Pajok, it can reach to about 20 to 30,000 people. BT. BT itself as a sub-clan is also having a division itself. Division mati the BT. BT is divided into 3. One, BT maloloni BT Kal, BT Road, ki BT Pogwang. BT Road, meno kama road aki ye. Mati di Pajok kenyu, road, ke winyo ruoro du, maloloni ruoro du, Paulino du, Chagwaga boy ngeo ini ngeo ko. I'm asking a boy ini winyo nying ruot odu Paulino.
I win your name Eroni, but I'm not really pretty sure. I heard the name, yes.
Yeah. Ruoth Paulino du ober la kwar pa Paulino ogwok ma ober ruoth moloyo Pajok.
Okay.
Oluwo ko ruoth Aburi. Ruoth Aburi mober kala wi Acholi weng. Acholi as a whole in South Sudan. So mono ober ruoth mo aki Biti. Ruoth ogwok ober ruoth moloyo Pajok weng kar ma ywaya bino no kage dier ruoth bod ywaya because ywaya bino maduong' magila wel dano matie because of that greater number omiyo ruoth dong bod tin
Okay.
kar so munu dogola matie ibiri dogola dek mopoko now i kit kwo matie biri di Pajok biri pe nyome kidok ot achiel biri pe nyome ke obol to biri ka chero ka nyome ko bol to biri kwanyo nyako biri pe kwanyo dago malatino bol to onywal nyo dago mopo yo bol to onywal yo bol to latin biri pe kwanyo dago erone latin biri kwanyo nyako ma nyano bol to ma pe onywal le kama dong onywal ja biri pe kwanyo pien wakedgi watie chalo mego ma jeme machon tielo dongo no otimo tido te kwaro pe wakwanyo mon ot ikinwa so wakwo chalo mego yeah
Okay.
Dogola man mi biri.
tie dogola po gwang.
Okay. What's
I
the
am the
difference?
security atido ruoth atilo agwok ruoth
So you
yeah
are royalty.
yeah we are the royal
Eh? Okay.
So ini pagi actually bukone well it's the same. Guarantee is the same across subclan Miss Pajok. Guarantee the same.
yeah it is the same but some community they don't have it depends on the structural setup of the of the sub clan. There are others that do not have but Patanga have Patanga have that structural setup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we doing what pole wu agi South Sudan wuchere Uganda kamoni kono countries mokone itamni abroad kan jobiri community tu tie sasa anwa yang ba wi kori
Community ma te wako Kenya ni not so much America but Australia gitie ke Norway gitie
Yeah.
but not many in fact giduong total maduong ko ber matie ma giti South Sudan kan ka ti gamente yeah
So
matia
what
waje
is
nene
go ahead, Ika.
waje matia waje nene munu gena brother pa eli gene mono waje ni gene no gite chief mi pa joke
brother pa eligi ni obere mo ba magi ma en obere ruoth ma kar ma yelo ba ka ringo bo ruoth go ka gin gi konyo no nge boy.
okay
Do you remember a story mo go le dang ter botun ni Pajok okonyo ba laga en modwo laga tebe yutum kany mo pe tim pa Pajok
You team for ball?
mo tim pa ba la ka lol timer ni la lwen kar mo la lwen ulung ruoth pi Pajok ka Pajok cher konyo ba ogo lokung no bino gidonyo giteng ma piny gidonyo giteng ma panye kwar ka gibino ka lwenyi ko ba so kar ma dong Pajok owinjo Pajok cher chi konyo ba gigo lokung gila lokung so kar ma dong la lweny ruoth ma ba miro miyo nyako bot ja Pajok ni ote nyaga ni makango me konyo gin
Mm-hmm.
wor kwero ni en pe romo ter nyaga dano mo to lweny er gi pol so kar ma dong en kwer ka dong okwanyo en tim me pajok er loka tebe yutum kanyer weng miro tu po bo obiro kere wai gin bora en mabio kero headquarter ayaje
Okay.
obiro
Ayaji.
ayaje
Oh,
ya
okay. Mm.
ya so meno omiyo bot pajok pila pikonyo obo pilweny mo bedo tie kin lukung ke obo lukung ki madi
Mm.
not ajere obo ki madi mono madi tika bo obo
Mm-hmm.
ya
So, maanang ngayon ni Won Eli and me abo, niya nga ruot mani Severino Odu. Is it
Severino
that?
odu mono Severino odu mono pajok aburi mono mo bo
Oh, okay. So, cause I
ya
take confused, Eli tie and moja ni and pa Severino Odu. So, one what you look about ruot now obo pat anang ngayon ni guwaka munu Won Eli ma tie do obo. Ma ena wani cause and Severino do banga angeo ko ruot money ni nga.
Severino odu mono pajok
Oh, okay.
ya
Okay.
aburi mono bo
Oh,
so
now I
karma
get it. Aburi molo wero ni. Ma yang kono ni aburo donki muduo. Obo mara we ero ni. So that mean giti a wero ruot ero ni.
ror mono rot baba gi wero de
Okay.
mono tela
Okay.
pa choli ikar lo yero seasonal watin tela ne potie borwa ya choli sa Sudan
Okay.
komberi wa mi agor matika lana ko adi
Okay.
boro goro then we luar da kape cher pani kwara we cher bot palwa either of the two
Mm. Okay.
is rotational yeah
All right.
mm.
Good to know.
Can I culture too ni ana mari yenyo look me da wala si tales mo mo lo waje bolotini kiro tales nyo da ngama yang lo waje bodu any day community to me biri ma lo share lotini
Yeah, tens mukere mere India mo pero kedu watu kukachel mukere mere waje mono watu kedu ni you don't recall any.
I don't remember anything.
Jackie, everything really.
Ang gumaka.
Mm-hmm. There are
Ang
very many tales na opera katire which are very common. You need a long tail. There are very many tales. Ma comparison of a human being ma oterne ododo na mo eno. Tie yam dao mo omiyo bor mo matidi mo ne tio dong matidi ite kubaya nyo ite ki kobo mamiro chelo ki mo mamiro chelo ki dek.
Mm-hmm.
Chika mamiro chelo deke daka cha kiri tek pemir poko jeme ki dano jirani.
Mm.
Daka no kano mo ne ot. O chiro ka kwaya mach weke bini mok mach ichel deke. Kar mo karo ka chiro ka gamo mach obiro nongo luongo biro pie mo na chwe mo na ringo kare. Dago ringo donyo ot omoko mach o maber weke chiro kwany mo biro nongo mo pe odongo duro.
Mm-hmm.
Kar mo dongo duro liej giti kuja liejo karo ki kuja ki ngwaj liejo chi nyono puk. Opugo kwaro chet. Kar mo pugo kwaro chet mo pugo kelo pol. Pol okelo kot. Koro chwe mol chiro opo kalang. Okalang oyuego tong awoko. Okwaro neno tong okalang okwaro che tong okalang ache. Okalang ya okwaro indoko ni che tong apingo. Ya to ini yuego woko do. Ya ane yuego woko koni to kilele mole ot par do. Kilele ya ane mol ko to koro chwe do. Kode ane chwe koni to pol tie do. Pol ya ane bet koni to pugo kwaro do. Fugi akwat koni to le nyona do. Le jana nyon koni to dur kok do. So lo we do da ka so tielo kani ka gino timatiri omeri sharing kidano. So these are some of the few tales. Yeah.
Mm.
Ye apo kilieji ke tunya kwaje ngage uberi karmo ma
Yeah.
pintek dano chero ka hinyole kama bojo gi ngage chi karma gen gi woro gi chero gi chero gi no gi no pin num tek karma gi dwar le wen gi duo gi bedo
What?
bedo
Okay, I'm in a line. I don't see Zoom.
gi biro gi bedo dong karma gi bedo gi bedo wang maj eni wang o ang'eyo ni ikang chal po beri but ina bo iberi wang o maj man mo
I don't
bako ko
remember.
tieno le beri wang o lo o maj ero ni in the evening dan beri
Mm.
so dan beri mo iro dog gi bori ka yam mo tia ko dog bori kuja ino mo chiero ira chiere so at a certain point ka iro tika dog bori ke tika koko ngano ke pengen ni tika koko no
Mm-hmm.
chiro mo o karmo jono no ni mego gi dong yelo widano muna poa
Mm.
poa ingeo mego kid gi dong tek mego mero wago plan kongi
Mm.
jeni wanek mego weng yen mego dong dia dano michero ka dwar legi gi ngagi eni dong cha weng dong yelo widano jeni gi go plan gi twe min gi weng gi bol gi namo
Mm-hmm.
jeni twe min gi weng apoa ma miyo twe min apoa twe pan bo panyo ma be en mo le bolo min dano ni mako bila per kuro ti
Mm-hmm.
witi ti witi joni gi chero maber dog nam gi bolo min gi awenyo pi bam 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 so ng'at mano mojo neno wi tek wi mar yelo an ka chero ka dwa so agigi ne jono duoko gang wang o la
Mm.
tet kuon nong peba te dong kuon pe jwi ke duoko gi ka dwa per bir no kuon tie
Mm.
chodong ka chero wang o dan wang dog wang iro piano mun opportunity ka koko ta iro
Mm-hmm.
duoko yu bor no ti opportunity ko kwa be ng'at mo ikan ni iro duoko yu bor kuno ti ka koko apo ka wang cheng no le ngama na ko maka bila per cher ka cham o chok yu bon mene kor bila per witi ti witi le gi no mine bolo yipi atunya gi no mine bolo yipi kama nok mino gamo latin gama nok en chamo apo chamo yengo ko o kuja ben chere wang iro so yoro pero paka ka o jwi wang chane apo kara o wang chane apo kara tigine apo mer lo kwa so gile bu ko apo gi cher gi no apo ka apo mine tie gi cher gi waje belia ji apo mine tie so we go plan gi biro gi no apo so the whole general tales is telling us me
Mm.
you have to love your mom even if come your body heart instruction is teaching you for your future
Mm-hmm.
so those are some few jam jam ka tie mo lo bol ni coach le ingage
Mm-hmm.
those are guidance of life
Mm-hmm.
yeah jam mo wa waje bo rajal jake in we will but
Atiri
I'm
kikera,
etirico
atiri I can't remember. Kirgad.
etiri kat ko
Abu matwero remember atwero ko.
king piri David chứ đừng nói quý pero mà cả này
Ngingo?
ing piri David you
Nga.
remember Karen David tingo David tingo nene chứ đừng quý William you remember Karen David
Ngingo? David man.
You don't
You don't,
remember babysitting Tabu?
Huh?
Tabu's
don't know
older
David.
than you. Which David is he talking about?
David of Lizu.
Oh, thank you. We are gila. No, David man. Yeah, Biti. Yeah, what baby said together? David
Guru kiri
pa
ba
Jen
David. Siya mo gini
Palizu.
tingo gila teni ba Jen. Yeah.
Hmm.
Tingo David o tuku kagi siya o siya.
Hmm. Lakini we
Yeah,
mo ni nangangero ko.
that's very
I don't know.
interesting.
We were paying so much attention. You know, when we were young,
Hmm.
in that area of ours, we were much attentive to their
Hmm.
guidance.
Mm.
And
Hmm.
you know, we were living among parents who are so educated.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, ikare chani ano at gonna party later boy. I don't know can you repeat your questions more. Or don't danga 6 minutes.
Hmm. No, no,
Mm.
I don't know. I'm just gonna the reason why how Biti Dynamo Poke anyone ear tier 3. So ear dick eroni Biti gitwero nyume lakini you cannot get married but ngat mo nywalo take Latin already. Mere kwanya nyaga. So what's the reason me kwanya Latina nyaga if it's still the same, put it the same clan, put it here Biti. Pingo mere kwanyo ma bongo
Mm.
nywal ne, mere kwany ma gine, pe mere kwany ma gine nywal, mere kwany ma bongo nywal. What's the difference? Kadano entie, sibling or brothers and sisters.
Mono pe dok ot achel, meno dok ot mapat. Biri is an independent subclan. Dogola mapat.
Okay.
Dogola pa obol to pat kewan. But tie gin otime obedo marach ikin biri ikwanyo mon ma oboro dako mo nywal i obol to ma jabiri
Mm.
okwanyo. So
Oh.
kar ma bal ero time so lo dongo timo ki ang'eyo
Mm-hmm.
ka ong'eyo ki time ma otimo
Mm-hmm.
ki ero yubo ka dong otimo ma dong odoko chal kuong
Mm-hmm.
ma dong latin jabiri pebi kwanyo dako mo nywal i obol to
Mm-hmm.
ka dong dako mo nywal i obol to jabiri pe kwanyo ka jabiri mero dako ki obol to mer kwany nyako ma pe onywale.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yes,
Oh,
that
yeah,
is it.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I think your idea mo.
Mm.
I think lo dong mukene ma miro that this idea ma Jacobino kere is very good.
Mm-hmm.
I need you apen your question mo ni na cha Jackie pe gang.
Mm-hmm.
I hope ikang ti winya.
One question nga.
Ni na cha apen should I add you in Pajok gang to? You did not
Yes,
you
please.
did not answer.
I'm one area
I
away.
add you. Yes, and I'm your suggestion till dong ma mere dano. I want you to involve Olega and David Ogwang in this Zoom meeting.
Mm.
Hmm.
Olega is from Bura. I don't know. Jackson was here. He was with you in USA.
I'm gonna go.
Pastor is Pastor Olega.
Me,
Yeah.
I
You
don't know
don't know
him.
him?
Hmm.
You add him, then you contact him. You ask about his subplan, and you tell him the program you have because there is also one of your sister who is it in Norway or Denmark who
Hmm.
also have an activities,
Hmm.
but sometimes for her she does on culture and other things
Hmm.
involving music.
Hmm.
But sometimes she also take a winning some packages.
Mm.
Yeah, you
Okay.
just involve. You involve these people.
Mm.
You'll win. You will win a lot in Pajok, including even Acholi of Uganda, including the Luo of Kenya, another group of people globally.
Mm.
Mm.
Because
Yeah.
you'll come to understand. You'll understand almost all the culture of different Luo communities.
Mm.
Actually, Boret, you contact them, they will tell you much about Pajok
Okay.
before you go from to other Acholi.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
We'll be
Nice.
looking out for your connection. Any connection into your Borwa, we will take it. What do you want to
Yeah, I'll
Chaka?
send
Na
you.
Chaka ni? It's hard to connect it down. I think pull
Yeah.
down get the Chaka ni one ma what dong a kind one yellow but chuli go one year culture ko. So give waste chat to go me join when we look any.
No.
But
No.
kai would
Idea
connect
maybe
one pe.
no kerene. It is a very good idea, and you will also learn much better than Latin matigankan mapetika paying attention. Jokan tikanye ni magitika bero gitama ni gen gitie gingeo. Pabene winyo wa dwan lo dongo tama ni donge tigankwan. It does his or her own things. Don't can life bero kwanye geno they don't go near to the elder people.
Mhm.
So my titi maneni sometimes may take a recording. It becomes better for somebody even to attend it. Manon until recorded. You can prepare a full film. The young one can listen or watch.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let me just share
Yeah,
for you
don't
these two.
room
Mm.
oromo. Yeah, oromo po un. Apo
Mhm.
Olanya. Please connect with one. Hopefully, be join one again.
No, let me talk to Abuel. Let me talk to Abuel. Sorry for interrupting
Join one
you.
more time. Join one more time after.
Abuel,
Eh.
I would like to call you on your line. Can you
I
accept?
yell up there.
Okay, I'll call you.
Yeah.
Let me know the by
Okay.
Zoom.
Okay.
Okay. All right. What boy? What boy name?